Hello and welcome to Keto Life. I'm Crystal. Today we're gonna make ranch dressing. I mean, can you really be living a keto lifestyle without ranch dressing? It's super simple. First, we're gonna start with mayonnaise, and this is mayonnaise that I have made myself. Look above, you can watch that video on how I make it. It's really simple as well, 2 ingredients. First step, you're going to add garlic. I do a tablespoon of garlic, and this is a cup of mayonnaise that I have in my mason jar. Just chop up some garlic. If you don't like a lot of garlic, just cut back on it, and if you're a garlic lover like me, you can add even more. Then we're gonna do some dill weed, and I just buy this in the spice aisle. This is also a tablespoon. I'm gonna eyeball it because I love dill. I'll probably put more in than a lot of people like. And then add some sea salt, about a teaspoon of the sea salt. You can add parsley here if you want. These are just the only ingredients I use because it's the flavor I like the best. Then you're going to use your immersion blender. Important is to have a mason jar that fits this pretty snugly, because that's how the immersion blender works, is just to have a little bit of room, but enough to where you can move it around still. So just turn on the blender. Okay, that's blended. This is where you need to taste test it, because we all have a little bit different tastes we like. So I just take a little bit. That is perfect. So yes, that was a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of dill, and about a teaspoon of salt. So guys, give it a try. There's no hidden ingredients in here, and most of the ranches on the market, there are hidden ingredients. Some even have sugar in them. So please keep an eye on your ingredients and your labels, or just make your own. Then you know everything that's in it. Thanks everyone. Please give us a follow at Keto Life on Instagram and Facebook, and follow us below. Thanks everybody.